Hey lovelies, I am here with my beautiful daughter. We're going to do a flat twist out style on her today. So I'm taking the Doux One Love co-wash and detangler and just distributing the product throughout her hair. She's had her hair up in a ponytail for about a week and I've done nothing to it. So we just need to give her hair just a little bit of extra love. Want to make sure it's thoroughly detangled and ready for the shampoo process so that we don't get any matting, any tangles, any knots, anything like that. So after I distribute this product throughout her hair, I'm going to spray it with a little bit of water just to activate the product. It's going to give me a lot of slip and it's going to be very easy to comb through her hair. She has very soft hair, so it's not a hard process of detangling her at all. It doesn't cause any pain to her. And I like to do this in sections just to ensure that we're getting all the hair detangled. So I'll do one side and I'll move on to the other. And this makes the shampoo process go seamless. I love the Doux One Love Cold Wash. It is the best detangler I've ever used on my clients. It adds a lot of slip. It smells very good. And it can be used on all hair textures, even very tight, coily textures. So after we do this, we're going to get her nice and shampooed and conditioned. And then I'm going to follow up with the Doux leave-in conditioner. It is the We Want Easy Curl Tamer. I'm just going to make sure that's distributed completely throughout her hair, kind of massage it through, and then comb it out as well to get it ready for the style. This is a very important step here, is just to add that extra layer of moisture before you start putting your styling products into the hair. After the leave-in conditioner is thoroughly worked throughout the hair, I find that it's easy to execute a style if the hair is sectioned off properly, especially in the way that you're going to start the style. So I'll do 4 big sections here, and I like to start all of my styles from the back of the head. It's just easier for me, and I can see exactly how I want it to look if I start from the back, and that way if you want to change the front, it's easier to do it that way. So here I just started her style. We ended up changing our mind after a bit. Okay, I apply a little of the Doux cream to the hair, and then I went on top of that with the Mousse DEF. The cream you should not see. If you see the product, that means you use too much. The mousse you'll see, but that's okay. I started to do finger coils on her hair. Not really sure why I did that. She didn't even ask for it. But with her hair being so soft, that style will not stay. It'll probably last her just a day after it's completely dry. So I ended up changing my mind and going with the flat twist that we're going to originally do in the first place. It's a good idea to learn your child's hair and your own, just to know what type of styles that your hair can hold up on your hair, because everybody's hair is different, the texture is different, and everybody's hair reacts differently to certain products. Now a flat twist, I see it's pretty easy for me to do. It's like a braid, except with 2 strands of hair. You pick up a piece of hair at the top of where you parted it, and you will cross over and pick up all the way down until the hair is loose, and then you'll end up with a loose 2-strand twist. And then on the ends of that, you will just twirl the end of the hair around your finger to secure the twist. So at the bottom we did 4 twists, and then the top row, I think I ended up with 6 twists. Yeah, 6 twists in the back. And then on the left side of her hair, I did 2 flat twists going to the back, because the ends of those will be unraveled, but the base will stay as a twist. And in the front, she has, I think I did 3 rows of twist in the front of her head. I'm just going to complete this all the way over. Okay, so now I'm at the front half of her hair. This is where the sectioning part comes in for me, because now I can see how I want it to look in the front if I just section it off from front to back. So here I decided to do 2 flat twists going to the back in the front, so that the front of the twist will stay twisted once I unravel, and the ends will be taken down with the rest of her hair, just to give her a little funky style on the side. Okay, here I reached the very front of her head. I'm sorry, this is a very poor attempt of me trying to slow down the video so you all could see in detail how I twist her hair. But unfortunately, I didn't realize that my shoulder was in the way the whole time. So you just grab 2 pieces at the beginning of the twist and cross them over, picking up hair from the scalp as you go down, crossing each piece over the next. And once you get to where the flat twist ends, it will be a loose 2-strand twist. And then at the very bottom, again, you just twirl the ends around your finger to create a coil just to secure the twist. And I think I did 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 at the top. Yeah, 4 at the top. And here I'm finishing up the very last one. So she has 3 rows at the top, 2 in the back, and then there's 2 flat twists on the side. And here I'm just blasting her hair quickly with the hand dryer to ensure that it'll be dry overnight. She's going to sleep on these. We just wanted to get some of the moisture out so that it won't be wet in the morning when she wakes up and I unravel them. Here we are finishing up. She's all dry. I put a little bit of oil in my hands to ensure that we don't make too much frizz in taking the twist down. And you kind of want to take your time when you're unraveling your twist so that you don't disrupt the shape of the hair. After fluffing out, I just go in with a pick and lift her hair at the roots just to give it a little more volume. Of course, it will get bigger as the days go on. And then I spray her hair with a little bit of a oil mist, just a light oil mist. And this is it. This is the end result. I love it. She loves it. And I hope you guys loved it. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.